Alright guys, I'm back here in chapter 3 and module 3, chapter 3. You'll see that sometimes I call them modules, sometimes I'll refer to them as chapters, similar to the titling. Anyways, okay, so here's Maya, and this is where, all the magic happens, all the development. We talked a little bit about the interface and the viewports, but when we get ready to create something or start a project, especially if it's a big project like animation, we have to stay organized. So we're going to take a look at project settings. So in our file menu here, down in this small area called project, we have set project and we have project window. Okay, we're going to take a look at the project window area first, and what this is it's exactly what it sounds like. It's a window into our project folder. Okay, all right, and the project folder is located, it shows the location there at the top, and we have these subfolders here as well. We have the scenes, we have the images, we have scripts, we have autosave, we even have some other areas down here below when we get a little bit more advanced, and that is our secondary project features and folders. And so if you have caches or other information you want to bring in, this is the folder or the project folder. Okay, I want to keep emphasizing that, where everything is housed. Okay, and that again is the address. So we're working currently in that location. So as to see user M. Scott, desktop, and then move to upstairs. Now for the most part, you're going to start your own project, a new one. And I'll click on that icon, and it allows me to name my new project. Perhaps I'll just put in here, let's see, we'll do, Maya Fundamentals. And it's going to be located here in the same project folder that I've already set. So it's kind of like a project folder within a project folder. You probably wouldn't want to do that, but anyways, it does allow you to see that we are in that same destination. So in the sense of you creating something new, you may want to pick your own destination because it's yours, and it's going to be your new project. Anyways, okay, moving forward, what we're going to look at here is when I click select, it's going to go ahead and create this fundamentals, and it's going to place it in that project folder area. We're going to take a look at that here in just a second. So we're going to go back up to file, and we're going to go ahead and open a scene. Okay, and doing so, our scenes are each individual development areas, or each individual files that house your development. And then we're looking here, this is again where our project is located. Okay, and inside there we can see that we have some other projects if we wanted to utilize and organize, and has all the subfolders that we want here. So this new scene in our new location, well, I should say the original location, and that is users M. Scott, desktop, move to upstairs, and then Maya Fundamentals. That is our new project that we created. Again, it has the source images, it has all our subfolders, and we should be ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and close this because we didn't save out a scene. We just created the project. So what if we wanted to use a project that was shared with us or already created? Well, we can go back here to file, we can come down here to set project, and from here it's Maya's asking us where is that project folder located that you want to use. So we can navigate around and go up one hierarchy, say here, and I'm going to select a different project folder, and this is just a default one that I made, didn't use, and I'm going to click set, and now I'm inside of that shared folder. There's nothing in there because it's nothing been created yet, but it still has all the subfolders and everything to house all of our assets. However, we can also set to a different project right here within this window. So I clicked on that set project icon, and then it brings us back up into our subfolders and allowed me to change into a different project. And if I click on scenes, whoa, there's all our individual scenes. So things that were shared with me and everything that's housed correctly and organized correctly. I can't stress highly enough how important it is to organize your projects, to make sure that you have everything within one location so that Maya can find it easily. And we'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more Maya's tools and ability.